Here's what it's like inside. Pretty nice. That's my wood stove. And there's a little baby. She likes to sit there when the fire's going. Right? And there's my computer. And a little cat seat for the cat. So she doesn't sit on my keyboard. She likes to start my computer while I'm away, so I have to put that on there. And here's my blizzard. 20 degrees, that's sweet. But it's windy. And I already did all the snow removal. Well, not all of it. It's about 2 feet. I had already shoveled like 5 inches last night, so add 5 inches to what ridges you see. What's going on? There's the sun. Somewhere. I think that's it. Oh, look at the wood got the snow blew right in there, huh? That's all right. Yeah, we were almost out of snow, and now we've got a whole 2 feet. So right back in business. I gave up over here. Like, I gave up on the backside. I might not even bother, but who knows? Make a little path for the gas guy, and I'm gonna leave that snow on tonight. Be a good insulator, at least for tonight. This is up to my knees right here. That's my little ash pile where I put my ashes. That was fun. I'll show you the wind if it ever comes right near me. Oh, sun's coming out good. Got a good foot on the roof anyway. That'll be fun taking that off. This skirting, the wind gets down in there when it's cold, it'll freeze my pipes, even though I have electric tape on them. That's a hole in the skirting. So what I like to do is pile the snow up in front of it. Finally, we got enough snow to do that. There's a whole bunch of snow on that thing. A little stress test for my roof I put on there. See how that goes. Chickadoos. It might be 20 miles per hour. That's not bad. Didn't lose the power. Oh, he's on the other side. Didn't lose power. I keep some wood under there too. I'll have to shovel that off. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Huh. Very festive. I wasn't even going to come out again today, but I had a request, so here we go. And here's the other area that I have to do. Let's go see what's going on. You know what was weird is I didn't hear a single plow last night. I don't know if it was the wind muted it. Or plows are very loud, so they're easy to hear. I didn't hear one, but they must have done something because people are driving. Not too bad, 2 feet. I'll take it. Two feet and I keep my power. Good deal. Hold on a minute, I want to show you something. This is my neighbor's outdoor boiler. That is the stinkiest thing. I can't smell it right now, must be the wind. It stinks up this whole area. What is it? Classic or something? Oh, it's awful. My stove is super efficient, so I don't have that issue. Oh, a little twister came off there. I don't know if I got that. Whew. Man. Okay, that's enough. Maybe there'll be a chickadee. Chickadee? Ooh. Well, I don't know if chickens would like it. Oh man, look how blustered it is. I'm glad I don't have chickens in there right now. It's just I'd be too worried about it. Poor little chickens. And there's my meter. It's not digital, it's still analog for now. I think I pay $12 a month extra to keep that. To have them do nothing different, I have to pay them $12 a month. It's extortion. Okay, well, take it easy. Hope everybody's doing this good. Okay, take it easy. Bye.